Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'll show you how to properly set up Python with Visual Studio Code on your computer. Now, some people use PyCharm or Tony, but personally, I prefer VS Code because it's simple, lightweight, and very flexible. So first go to python.org and you should see this page. If you are on Mac or Linux, just download the version that matches your operating system. For me, I'm using Windows, so I'll just click this button right here and wait for the installation to finish. Next, go to code.visualstudio.com and click here to download and download the version that matches your OS. For me, just click here and wait for the installation process. As the download finishes, this window will appear. Check the first option, accepting terms. Next, create a desktop icon, click next, then click install. Now you have both Python and VS Code installed successfully. So now open VS Code and you should see a window like this. Click on new file, create a text file or Python file. So I'll click Python file, save it, Ctrl S, and name it test1.py, which stands for Python. Another way to create a Python file is to go here, the file tab, and create a new text file. Ctrl S, name it test2 for example, and change its format to py. So now we are just writing a simple line of code. For example, print this is test2 and take a copy of the code and change test2 to test1. Don't worry, if you don't fully understand it yet, we'll explain it properly in the next video, so stay tuned. Before running the code, we'll need to install very important extensions. So in this navbar, click on extensions and search for Python. Choose this one, Python from Microsoft, and click install, then search for Code Runner and install it to allow us to run the code easily. So close this and let's return to our code. So after installing the Code Runner extension, this play button will appear, so click on it and a new section will appear below called the terminal, and this is where we'll see the result of our code. And as you can see, it displays this is test1. Now there's something important to understand here. VS Code actually has two different sections, the output section and the terminal section. A crucial thing to keep in mind is that the output console doesn't allow us to edit or type any input value. The terminal, however, does allow typing, and this is very useful in the future. So let's configure Code Runner to always run our code inside the terminal automatically. So click on this gear right here, go to settings, and search for code actions on save, edit in setting JSON, go here and type code runner dot run in terminal and set it to true. Then close this and run the code another time, and it will be displayed in the terminal section. And that's basically how to fully set up Python with VS Code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. And stay tuned. Assalamu alaikum.